Hey there folks, the Scottsdale Travel Chick, here to give you my review of the Conrad Algarve in Quinto do Lago, Portugal. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Conrad and how to get the most out of your stay. I am very excited to share this video with you. This is our third Conrad hotel we have stayed at. Every single one of them has a different vibe to it. If you are interested in Mexico, then check out our other two hotel reviews on Punta Mita and Tulum. Let's get going and I'll show you another impressive Conrad hotel. Okay, let's start with the hotel's location and how to get there, and what's nearby. The hotel borders the Atlantic Ocean. If you are flying into Portugal, the closest airport is in Faro. From there, it's a 20-minute car ride or 15 kilometers. You could also fly into Lisbon and then take a train to get there, but it will take you approximately 3 hours by train. Across from the hotel, there's shopping, nightlife, and restaurants. Let's talk a little bit about the parking. The parking at this resort is free. It's located in the basement of the hotel. Okay, so let's talk more about the hotel. The Conrad is a Hilton brand. So if you are part of their honor program, you get your normal perks here. The hotel has 4 floors wrapped around the pool area and a total of 154 rooms. All the rooms here are beautiful. They range from twin bedrooms to king suites, even a penthouse suite, which I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at. The entry to the hotel has a long driveway. As you get to the end, you'll be greeted by the staff to help you with your bags. As you enter the front doors, you're greeted with a beautiful white marble from floor to ceiling. You really feel like you have stepped into elegance here. There is a bar to the right with beautiful accents of purple. They have used this accent color throughout the hotel. To your left is the front desk. Check-in is very easy, and they really spend time with you, answering all of your questions about the resort. Just wanted to tell you a little bit more about the lobby floor. Just past the check-in desk is a hallway that leads you to a golf and gift shop. Just past this is an art gallery. Make sure to check this out. It's quite impressive. Here is just a little preview. Speaking about art a little bit, there are pieces of art that you will see throughout the lobby. I'm going to share my favorite piece of art later in the video. With all the white marble in the lobby and the foyer, we were really excited to check out the rooms. Before I take you to our room, the staff let me look at a standard king-size room. This is kind of cool because it has an open bathroom. And look at that beautiful bathtub. Okay, so let me take you to our room. We were upgraded to the King Grand Deluxe Suite on the 4th floor, overlooking the pool. The decor was nice, and we had a nice large room with a great view. This room has 2 bathrooms, As you walk into the room, it's enormous. I could stay here for weeks. Family room with TV, and the patio was ooh la la. This room had an extra large patio overlooking the pool. Pretty nice, and most of the time we left the windows open to get that nice breeze. I just loved the decor in this room. So beautifully done. It also had a huge, large vanity area with a large tub and large walk-in shower. The bed was comfortable, and honestly, I was kind of disappointed because we were only going to stay here a couple of nights. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek into another room. This is what the Conrad room is like. This has even a larger family room. This room is 1,087 square feet and will cost you $3,071 US per night, depending on the season. What? You thought I was done showing your rooms? Nope. I'm gonna take you to the penthouse suite. This one was priced at $7,500 per night. Pretty fancy for sure. Just in case you missed it, that is your own private elevator to the spa and parking garage. This one also comes with your own butler. Who really needs a kitchen when you have your own private butler? This is just a one-bedroom. Square footage, 3,229 square feet. This has an enormous patio area that's great for entertaining, with numerous fire pits, and of course, a great hot tub. Finally, all the rooms at the Conrad are amazing. I guess it just depends on how much you want to spend and be spoiled at this resort. In terms of connectivity and Wi-Fi speed, we found the Wi-Fi to be not very strong. Lobby areas seem to be the lowest at 9.3 and uploads at 9.5. There are outlets on either side of the bed, but notice that there were no USB connections for your phone. They should probably add something like that near the bed for guests. There was also a hidden type of a desk that we just happened to notice, and there were electrical outlets inside the desk. So, if you happen to get a room like ours, you could probably use this to charge up some of your devices. Before I continue, just a quick break to say, if you're enjoying this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. An encouraging comment following our channel, and maybe even consider forwarding it to some of your friends. Any of those would be really nice to help our channel. Okay, back to this great hotel. Fun fact, this hotel was inspired by a Portuguese palace. They have numerous dining and bar options. Breakfast is served in the Loro restaurant from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. They have a nice patio to enjoy your breakfast in the morning. Breakfast is not included unless you paid for it and was part of your room. The cost is 30 euros for the breakfast buffet. If you're interested in the continental breakfast, that will cost 22 euros. They are also open for lunch and dinner with lots of options. If you want to know more, just go to their website. Lago Lounge is the bar that's on the main floor of the hotel. This is open from 9 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. and serves food such as cheese plates, fish and chips, burgers, and they also offer their famous tea ceremony. This is a wide range of items from kids' meals, pasta dishes to seafood. For a classy dinner option, there is also Gusto's. This is located next to the art gallery and has a Mediterranean feel with options like a 7-course meal with wine pairing. Wow, I have given you a lot of information about the resort, but haven't gotten to the best part, the amenities. As I mentioned, most of the rooms are surrounded by the pool area. There are lots of chairs available around the pool, and there's an upper pool and a lower pool area. The lower pool area is called Dado Pool. Hope I said that right. And it has a dedicated area for kids. It's a larger pool with 1,630 square feet, and it has food options and a bar as well. You will find options like hamburgers, tacos, sandwiches, and desserts. There is also an indoor pool in the event the weather is not good, or you just want to escape from the sun. It's heated and also has some beautiful mosaic tile. One great amenity at the hotel is they offer a free shuttle service to the beach. How great is that? Another bonus here is they offer a kids' little sea palace. It's for ages 3 to 12. Oh my gosh, they have everything a kid would want to play with. They offer fun entertainment, crafts, painting, balloons, and sport challenges. Cost is $100 for a full day, and there are options to customize the experience for your kids. They have a really nice gym that is open daily for 24 hours. They offer tennis as well, but only one court. If you want to do something outside the resort, well, you can rent their e-bikes. There is so much to see and do in the Algarve area, so rent that bike and get out there and explore. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Let me tell you more about the Conrad Spa. I was able to get a massage here and have to say it was one of the best. Well worth the money. I felt completely relaxed and wanted to go back the next day for another massage. They offer options from a hot stone massage to a golf massage to facials to skin scrubs and even pedicures. When you're staying at the Conrad, do not miss out on this. Also, make sure you allow plenty of time to check out their thermal spa areas. Okay, it's now time for my Scottsdale Travel Check score. The hotel has done a beautiful job with the decor of the rooms and hotel. I love all the accents of purple. You really feel like you are in a palace. This Conrad makes you feel extra special. The spa is very nice with lots of options to choose from. If you want to spend a vacation here and just relax, this is a good choice. I like the fact they offer complimentary shuttle to the beach as well. There are numerous resorts and hotels in the area, but this one you immediately feel pampered. Oops, I almost forgot. These are a couple of my favorite statues. You can find these on the patio, overlooking the pool. Before we finish, one last drone shot of this beautiful resort. With all that being said, I give the Conrad a 10 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching from the Conrad Algarve. See you later.